Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, miss.
Have you finished your lunch?
Yes, miss.
Today we shall go to our garden again. What did we see in the garden?
Trees and flowers.
Very good. Can you say the name of few trees and flowers?
Mango tree, coconut tree, banana tree, watermelon tree.
Okay, and say some flowers name.
Jasmine tree, hibiscus, rose.
Very good. Look there. Who is sitting on the tree? Who is sitting on the tree?
Birds.
Birds. Now we shall do a large group activity introducing the name of birds. Are you ready, children?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is a woodpecker. It has sharp beak. It peeks at trees. I like woodpeckers.
Very good. Mitran starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is a myna. It is black and yellow. I like mynas.
Very good. Harsini starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is an eagle. It is big. It has
It flies.
It flies high. I like eagles.
Very good. Start now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is a sparrow. It is
Small.
small. I like sparrows.
Very good. Starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is queen. It is small. I like queens.
Super. Charlie starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. This is cuckoo. It is black. It can sing. I like cuckoos.
Super. Start now.
Good afternoon. This is a crow. It is small. I like crows.
Super.
Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, miss.
Meet the next class.
Okay, miss.
Okay, children.